Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove audio from video using Wondershare Filmora X. That's a Wondershare Filmora 10. If you are new to this channel, consider to subscribe, and without much ado, let us get started. There are two methods in which I'm going to teach you how to actually remove audio or mp3 from mp4, depending on how you want to call it. But you are going to use this software Wondershare Filmora 10, that's Filmora X. So if you have it, you can launch it there, and if you don't have it, check the description. You can easily download the website. So I'm going to look for the video that I want to remove the audio. So now here am I on the system, and then I want to look for just a video that I can remove the audio. So here is one of my tutorials on how to use a keyboard, and then let me try to play it for you. But because of the sound, I have some sound there. So okay, let me give it a pause. I hope I will not experience copyright in this video because of the sound. I think the sound is from endemic sound, and that is why I don't want to play it full. So now the first one is you have to import the video, and then the first method I want to show you is so simple. So by the time you have imported the video into the timeline, okay, so you are going to do what? You are going to right click on the video. Once you right click on the video, I'm going to show you the next thing that you are going to do. Please, if you are new to this channel, you consider to subscribe to this channel. So I right click on this video, and then you will see detach audio. Control Alt D. So if I click on detach audio, you will see that the sound will move to the next layer where the sound timeline is. And you see I have the video here and I have the sound. Let me press Ctrl Z for you to see it again and for you to really understand. You see, look at this side very well. You could see that the sound is with the video. Are you getting it? But the sound is not actually with the video by the time I will detach it. So I'll right click on this, and then I'm going to click on detach audio. You could see, and here it is. Now I need to get rid of this video because it is the sound I actually need. So you click on the video, avoid clicking on the two something. So just click on this video, you right click, and then just click on delete. So by the time you delete, you will see that the only audio will be actually there and the video will not be there again. So you need to export, and I want to believe you know how to export. You just click on export, and you must actually come to this. You have to take note of this place. When you click on export and you export it like that, it's going to see it as mp4. It's not going to see it as mp3. So what you just have to do is you go to click on local, and you see mp4, wmv, avi, and this and that. So you are going to click on mp3, and also click on mp3. You are going to name it as anything you really want to give to it. Then you are going to just click on save. So once you click on save, you click on export. Once you click on export, it will begin to export as mp3, and then I'm going to pause. I'm going to cancel it while you will do it on your own. Now The second method that you can use in order to extract audio from video using Wondershare Filmora, and the version is Filmora 10, is this. Well, you don't need to detach audio there. What you just have to do is you locate the video. I'm still going to use the same video, and by the time you locate the video, you are going to drag it into the timeline. So by the time you drag it into the timeline, you don't really need to do any detaching. The first one is we just click on right click and then we click on detach audio, but here we don't actually need to do that kind of thing. What you really need to do is that you are going to export the video, and you just have to go to the land, let's say, click on export, and you can see that this one will be very, very fast. Just scroll down to mp3. That is, it is the video. Let me talk about the timeline. The video is actually on the timeline, right? But when you want to export, you are going to tell Wondershare Filmora X or 10 that it will be in mp3. Now, for you to be so sure, when you click on mp4, look at the size. The size is 27.4 megabytes. And if I click on mp3 is always very, very minimal. You could see that it is 4.3 megabytes. So this is telling you that the video is going to be saved as what? As mp3. So once you just do that, once you just do that, you are going to click on export. So just click on export and it will begin to export as mp3. I think I will have to leave it for you to get a full confirmation. So it's has already reaches 100%, and just click on find target, and then you're just going to load it out, and then you could see that it is in mp3 format. Can you see? When you check it out, it will be usually mp3 audio file and VLC. So this is how to export. This is how to rather extract audio from video using Wondershare Filmora. I'm going to see you in the next video.